Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nothing Phone to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can click on OK right away, or select Not Now and then hit OK. Either way, now tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nothing Phone. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Nothing Phone, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, and then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. It's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section on an Android. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!